Back. So moving on next, we are dealing with LCM, known as least common multiple. What is least common multiple? Two or more numbers may have several common multiples. The smallest of them is LCM, smallest multiple of two or more numbers. The LCM of two numbers, of which one is a multiple of the other, is the multiple itself. And the LCM of two co-prime numbers is the product of two numbers. There are two methods like HCF. We can solve it by using prime factorization, or we can solve it by the division method. So in this video we are going to work with the prime factorization method. This was all the theoretical part. Now let's move on with the example so you better understand what I am saying. Let's choose three numbers for the LCM. Let's go with 32, 36, and 48. Let's suppose we have these three numbers. Now you do remember the prime factorization. You basically make prime factors of all these numbers. 32 is divisible to 2, gives us 16, which is divisible to 2, give us 8, divisible to 2, gives us 4, divisible to 2, gives us 2, and here we end. Next is 36. Again divisible to 2, gives us 18, which is divisible to 2 and gives 9, which is divisible to 3, gives 3, and with 1 last 48. My line is not so straight, but your concepts should be. 48 again goes on 2. In case you're wondering how I know this, if you're the one following up the playlist, you know about the test of divisibility. If you don't, you can just go on. It's a few minute video, watch it. So it would be quite easy for you to make prime factors and deal with this whole factorization, because you can just look at the number and tell in which table it's going to come. Isn't that cool? Right. So now we have prime factors. Let's write factors of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this we have basically 2 with the power of 5. In this we have 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. This one we have 2 power 4 multiply 3. Now you have to find the LCM, right? To find the LCM, you take the highest power. Let this 2, highest power of each integer. There is 2. It has 2 raised to power 5 here, 2 raised to power 2 here, 2 raised to power 4 here. The highest one is 2 raised to power 5. So let's write 2 raised to power 5. Next we have another integer, that is 3. There is 3 raised to power 1, and then there is 3 raised to power 2. We'll go with the higher one, 3 raised to power 2. So 2 raised to power 5 is 32, while 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Multiplying both gives us 288, which is the LCM. Simple question. I hope you understand it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section.